let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Hi guys, so today is the day that I go and buy compost and planters mix to fill my existing raised beds. I have a place close to me where I can get all of this stuff, so I am going to be making a couple of trips, and wish me luck. Will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. types of compost to top the raised beds. I have one that is just mushroom compost, and I have the other that is just leaf compost. So the mushroom one is the most expensive one. So what I did is I just got a quarter and a quarter of each, and then as I am adding it to the beds, I'm mixing it up so that I have both in there. So it is the next day, you guys, and I am exhausted. I move all of the compost to the raised beds, and I use the regular planters mix for the tile raised bed, and I am done. And I don't want to ever see another lot of soil ever again until next year. But I am really happy. I gotta put my onions and my sugar snap peas here outside soon. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time.